Hello everyone, welcome back to AgriFarm. Today we are back with organic aloe vera farming. Aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant and it belongs to the Liliaceae family. Aloe vera plant is a perennial plant grown for its succulent leaves which have a variety of medicinal uses. The leaves can be flecked with white and are pale green or grey-green. It has many well-known uses for human health. Aloe vera farming in India is gaining popularity as aloe vera production profit per acre is much higher than normal agriculture farming, and it can be done using much less water and effort. Now, let's get into step-by-step guide to organic aloe vera farming cultivation practices. The first is things to consider before starting organic aloe vera farming. You need to consider a few things before starting aloe vera farming, and they are land size of aloe vera cultivation to have definite and satisfactory profit. The second is quality of soil and favorable conditions of aloe vera cultivation, investment required and return on investment. Type of aloe vera variety being planted to have desirable profit, necessary equipment available for farming, and market to sell the aloe vera and a proper business model. Now, let's get into types of aloe vera plants. Some of the important aloe vera types include tiger aloe, lace aloe, and blue aloe. Tiger or Partridge-breasted aloe. Tiger aloe is a small succulent that grows up to a foot tall with leaves as long as 6 inches. This plant's leaves have a green and white striped texture to them, hence the tiger nickname. In comparison to tiger plant's leaf size, the flower tends to be the largest part of the Partridge-breasted aloe, reaching up to 18 inches. The next is lace aloe. Lace aloe is stemless plant with dark green color leaves that reach up to 4 inches long. The next is blue elf aloe. This plant has a bluish white pigment and stretches up to 24 inches wide. This type of aloe plant require sufficient draining of water to grow strong. Now, let's get into the quality of soil and favorable conditions in organic aloe vera farming. It would be better that you use an organic fertilizer such as cow dung so that the plant is free from chemicals. Many medicinal markets ask for chemical-free aloe vera leaves because of medical requirements. Also, controlling pests is an important aspect. To control pests, you need to spray 0.1% of parathion pesticides on the aloe vera plant, as you can spray malathion aqueous solution of 0.2 to control pests like mealybug and others. Land must be thoroughly plowed until the soil becomes finely separated and drained. Aloe vera plant grows well in climates that would be better if the climate is warm, humid, with temperature level of 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Now, let's get into the light requirements for organic aloe vera farming. Aloe vera plants need to be housed in a bright location with some direct sun in the winter season. If you move an aloe vera into direct sunlight from a shady location, the sun can harm. Increase the amount of sunlight if the leaves look flat and low. Decrease sunlight if the leaves turn brown. Aloe vera plant propagation. Generally, propagate aloe vera from seed, but it is easy to propagate from suckers that are produced by mother plant. The suckers are normally referred to as pups. The pups must be cut from the main root by gently uprooting the mother plant and finding the point of attachment. The root young plant must be cut from the parent using a sharp knife. Pup can be safely removed when they have several sets of plant leaves. If multiple plants are being planted, provide them with a plant at least about 60 cm apart outdoors. The next point is seed rate and seed sowing in aloe vera farming. Plant suckers in July-August for better growth. Under irrigated conditions, sowing seed can be done around the year except in winter months. Plant 3 to 4 months old suckers in a pit having a depth of 15 cm. Best spacing for aloe vera plantation is 45 cm to 40 cm or 60 cm by 30 cm is allowed for aloe vera farming. If you have some knowledge about spacing, then you will understand that it is one of the important things for good crop yield. Now, let's get into planting process of aloe vera farming. Aloe vera plant is mainly propagated by rhizome cutting and also from root suckers. For aloe vera propagation, the underground rhizome is dug out and suitable length recommended 5 to 5.5 cm is cut, which must contain a minimum of 2 to 3 nodes in its first. It must be rooted in sand beds. After its sprouting, it is ready for plantation. Similarly, the root suckers are dug out from the parent plant and should be planted with a separation of about 50 by 45 centimeters, and length of rhizome cutting and root suckers must be 12 to 15 centimeter range. Now, let's get into water requirement for organic aloe vera farming. Aloe vera plants are drought resistant, so the plant can survive with minimal watering. However, not watering aloe vera plant will shorten its lifespan. An appropriate method to water an aloe vera plant is to water thoroughly and let the excess water drain. Then water again when the top inch of soil is dry, and this allows for optimal aloe vera growth. Now, let's get into the most important part, that is aloe vera plant care. Special care is needed for pest control in medicinal plants like aloe vera, where the juice of the leaves is directly taken as medicine. Clean cultivation, application of adequate organic manure, and cultivation of aloe vera in sunny conditions are conducive for the healthy growth of the crop. Use of organic source of plant protection materials such as raw garlic juice, neem oil, 2 to 3 mm per liter tobacco extractant 20 ml per liter gave reasonably good crop results. The next point is aloe vera is forgiving, and being succulent can go a long time without water, but it grows best with water. Overwatering is one of the common source of improper aloe vera plant care. Signs of aloe vera is overwatered include brown, droopy leaves, and leaf spots. Now, let's get into organic feeding requirement for aloe vera farming. The use of organic manure such as farmyard manure, vermicomposting, or green manure is preferred for aloe vera crops. The recommendation dose of farmyard manure is 5 to 15 tons per hectare, which should be given at the time of soil preparation. It is advisable to follow the FYM application in subsequent years of harvest and high yielding crop. Vermicomposting can be applied at the rate of 2.5 to 5.0 tons per hectare for obtaining higher leaf yield. Now, let's get into list of aloe vera pest control measures and methods. Some of the basic methods are to remove the pest-infected aloe vera plants. The first is organic spray. Use chilies, onions, and garlic to separate this spray for aloe vera plants. Ground them and mix them with water. Once you have done this, spray it on this plant. Apart from that, you can also use neem sprays, which is efficient in killing some pests. The second point is beneficial insects on aloe vera plant. Several beneficial insects feed on harmful insects. One such beneficial insect in aloe vera plant is ladybugs. They are efficient in eating and killing aphids in aloe vera plants. The next point is homemade solutions. You can also prepare some solutions at home. One such is an alcohol swabs in water and making it rest overnight and then spray the next day. Another solution is to put snuff in water and let it soak for a night. While you can use these solutions to spray on the pest in aloe vera farming. When and how to harvest aloe vera. Harvesting of aloe vera leaves starts after 7 to 8 months of planting. A sharp knife is used for aloe vera harvesting. Plant care has to be taken to reduce the loss of juice from the cut portion. If harvesting is done once in a year October-November is the best period for plant harvesting. Second year gives maximum yield, and for about 4 to 5 years, good yield could be harvested. After harvesting, plant leaves are dried in shade and then in sun before storage. Flowers are collected from December to January and preserved for proper drying. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.